Yeah. How things be going on, and I wish we'll live in peace and harmony. Yeah. Don't forget we're one big family. No matter what happens,
Mommy,
let's be together.
do you think this dress hugs me well enough? Or should I ask Sarah to get me the Versace instead?
Sweetheart, if the dress won't make men fall on their knees, burn it. Tell Sarah to get the Versace and the Valentino. The both should fight for your curves.
Mommy, you are wicked.
And fabulous.
You know what I was thinking, Mommy?
Thinking. I'm scared. Let it out.
Why don't we travel to Mauritius? Just you and me. Let's say for 2 weeks. The sun, the cocktails, and away from boring people always asking about him.
They always ask, as if his ghost is sitting beside me in the church. Let him rest.
He's gone. And that's enough. Now we mourn with diamonds on our neck.
You are mad. But then that's true. You know what we went through when he was alive. I was wearing silpers and lace while he wears a crown. Now see who wears the crown now.
Queen Adora of GRA.
That's me.
Queen Adora of GRA.
Can you say it slowly?
Queen Adora of GRA.
That is me. We leave for Mauritius on Friday.
Okay.
You know, I still hear his silpers. How he drags it through the corridor. Like he's going nowhere, but then he wants us to know that he's coming.
I hated that sound.
Me too.
And now that he's gone, suddenly, everyone remembers he had a first daughter. Where was she when he choked on his cough and he couldn't breathe?
Where was she when I stood up late counting his tablets by 3 a.m.? Where was she when he forgot your name? Where was she when he slapped me for telling the doctor that he's dying?
She's not coming, right?
She shouldn't dare.
Yes.
She should never dare.
She shouldn't.
Barrister, listen to me. The man is dead. Whatever property you think he willed to anyone else, as long as it does not have my name or my daughter's, burn it. I don't care. She shouldn't come here. She shouldn't show up. She doesn't belong here. She is not one of us. Barrister, do you know how many women claim that my husband Obiora fathered their children? If I welcomed them, my home would have been a refugee camp.
Mommy, the rider said we owe him 300k more, something about custom.
Candy, give him 500,000. Let him shut up.
Oh, I love you, Mommy. I love you.
Barrister, she should not show up. If she values her dignity, she should mourn her father wherever she is. Because if she shows up, I will deal with her.
Ooh. Somebody's angry.
I hate when beggars turn blood.
Come on, Mommy. Don't let that spoil your mood. Come, see. Check. Come and check it.
Go and attend to the dispatch rider.
Smile for me. I love you. I'm coming. Let me give him the money. 500k, right? Okay, Mommy.
I like this color. This color is okay.
Mommy, which set should I wear?
For what?
For the memorial now.
Oh.
Since they are pretending to mourn him, let's mourn in style.
This looks innocent.
Right?
But I prefer this. We're not here to seek for sympathy. We're here to remind them that Obiора's name lives in this house. Not in one village or in one bastard child's mouth.
You're scared she would show up, aren't you?
Scared that she'll show up? No. I'm scared that I may not have the strength to spit on her face.
Mommy?
That girl was a mistake. That girl is a mistake that your father wanted to wash off his hands for years. And now he's dead. She wants to crawl back into his shadows.
Let her come. Let her see what it feels to walk into a palace that does not belong to you.
If she comes here, one of us will live in tears.
And that would definitely be her, Mom.
Obviously.
To be her.
I think this is better. I like the color.
Yes, this looks nice, Mom.
A shouting notice me.
It's so funny. Yes. The pain is very, very
Sarah,
fresh.
Ma,
how are you?
I'm fine now. How was it day? How's it going? Just fresh, eh? And today bread.
Mama.
This girl with mouth.
Yes. Okay. I'll send the account number. Please, Auntie, ask them to use condolence narration. No, Auntie, please. That's what I want. Thank you very much.
Candy. Candy.
Yes, Mommy.
Condolence.
Yes.
You're a shameless, wicked girl.
But Mommy, since they want to mourn with us, at least let them pay for the privilege.
They should. You know, your father is finally financially taking care of us properly in death. This life.
Mommy, do you know, sometimes I still miss him.
I miss the man I thought he was. Not the man that called another girl his first fruit in his sleep. Not the one that kept requesting for a girl that was never there on his sick bed. He kept mentioning her name. He never mentioned your name.
Then why is he still haunting us? Why don't he just go and meet his daughter? Or rather still, his daughter should go and meet him.
He left us earlier, but we never knew. Candy, please, I am famished. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Mommy, I'm not eating. I just lost my appetite.
Candy, eat your food. Don't lose your appetite over this. You will like it. Can we cheers?
You always know how to light up my mood. Let's cheers. To good life.
To new life in wealth. Second chance. Cheers to what?
Good life.
Cheers to second chance, to wealth and comfort.
You really know how to lighten my mood.
It's your food.
Oh my goodness, this food is nice.
Hello.
Hi.
Who are you looking for?
My name is Ivy Obiora.
Okay.
Where is my father's wife?
Oh, please hold on. Let me get that.
Shift. Oh, my father's wife.
Just hold on here.
My friend, will you remove those slippers outside? Does this place look like your dirty village compound?
Okay, I will. I'd rather walk barefoot in truth than wear heels on a house built in lies.
Mommy! She's a talker.
Yeah, she is.
Yes, that's because I wasn't raised in silence and lipstick. And you must be the spoilt one, right?
And you must be the mistake.
Well, let's see what a mistake can do.
Wow. Mommy, she has some nerves.
Nerves.
Yeah, she does. She does.
She does.
She has it. She has it.
Okay, so let me understand this. You came all the way from wherever you're coming from, uninvited, to stay in this house?
No, I came to claim my space.
Oh.
The one your husband denied me in life. And now his silence has gifted me in death.
Oh.
Yes.
We owe you nothing!
Your father owes me everything. I mean, he owes me everything. And if I have to cut down your throat to get it, then so be it.
Do you know what we went through in this house? Huh?
I don't care.
You think you can come from wherever you're coming from with your dirty feet and rags to carry gold?
No, you carried gold.
Oh.
You carried gold while I carried his memory. Me, I carried his memory. You carried gold. And you know what? The ground is leveled. Tea is leveled.
The ground is level.
Yes.
So why are you looking for the gold? Go invest the memory. Go do buying and selling with the memories.
Exactly. Stick to your memories.
Excuse me.
It's been complicated. How things be going on? And I wish we live in peace and harmony. Yeah, yeah. Don't forget we are one big family. No matter what happens, let's be together. Cause one love
Sarah, are we going to wait all day?
us together.
Sarah!
Love keep us together. Oh, one love.
Oh, just shut up. Shut up.
Yeah, one love keep us together. matter what happens, I'm here to stay and no going back. Any idea we go be, any idea we go there, we will fight to the end, cause I don't send anybody. All I want is peace and love, one love, keep us together. One love, keep us together. It's been complicated, how things be going on, and I wish we'll live in peace and harmony. Yeah, don't forget we are one big family. No matter
You can pretend all you want. You would always remain an outsider in this house.
Thank you. Funny. You know, I feel more comfortable and at home than you feel in your skin. I've lived with snake and vipers like you and your mother. What you say and what you want to do, it doesn't scare me.
Such audacity.
Oh, this dress and makeup and smile you're putting on, they're all costumes. You're not even angry because I'm here. You're angry because I can't bow.
Oh, stop! Candy, don't eat away.
Madam Adora, you do know that I'm not your maid.
Shut up!
You're supposed to be my maid.
Oh, but I'm not your maid.
Shut up! That's my mother you're talking to.
Oh, temper. Candy.
I will eat when I want to eat. I will talk when I want to talk. And I will sit if I want to sit and eat. Because this is my father's house. My own father's house.
Candy.
Yes, Mom.
Temper. She doesn't know me.
I know women like you. I know women like you, Madam Adora. I grew up with women like you. So you don't scare me. Like I said, I came to win. And I will win.
Let the game begin.
Oh, come on. Let the game begin. You know, I could eat, but I will not. I'm not here to eat. I came for something very serious, very important. So, don't worry.
And where do you think you're going to? So you really want to stay?
Except you plan to drag me out.
Don't tempt me.
You only back like a child. No punch. Punch me. Fight.
So you think you are smart? No, you think you are strong.
I know. I know you're just a weak girl who insult others to feel safe. You're just so weak.
Bet me. Ha! I swear, I will make this house
Start now. Start now. Do you know what's worse than a threat? A coward on lip gloss. I mean lipstick.
The game begins.
Let's see.
Oh, wow. What a show. Don't get too comfortable.
I'm not here for comfort. I'm here for truth.
Truth? Oh, no. You're not here for truth. You're here because your mother never taught you shame.
Oh, she taught me dignity. Something this house lacks. Something you could never teach your child.
You stink from in to out. You're made from the mud.
And yet I shine brighter than your chandeliers.
Oh.
Maybe because mud holds root. And this house is just a painted cracks.
I buried Obiora with my hands. I kissed his cold lips while you stay in the bush, wallowing in your past.
His soul left you. His soul left you to find peace in me. Hey, so this is where the royal family chose their stray blood.
What do you mean?
A room is just a walls. What matters is the fire that I bring into it.
Yeah, all this your proverb.
Hey! Come back here. And where do you think you're going to?
I want to just help her to.
What do you want to do? Did she ask you?
No.
No, it's like you're tired of this, your job. Who even hired you? Is it my mom and I or she? If she's truly what she claims to be, now hand her that broom. I said give her the broom!
Let me turn
I said give her the broom!
It's okay.
Sorry.
Now, go downstairs. I said go downstairs!
Okay, ma'am. Now, wow. Small girl like you. They treat you anyhow. They do you anyhow. This house, just better they build them with pride. Pride just fool the house. I know, say, pride no they pay bills. You know they pay. Oh. Oh, wow.
You think I'm not used to this? I've suffered. I don't suffer. Oh. I don't sell range for rain. I don't wash my leg for butter. I don't suffer. This house, they think say, what na by money. Don't suffer.
Sis, I tell you truth. Now this your big English where they speak so, Let me they do you anyhow now. All this your big English. I see that, madam.
Sorry, they enter.
Madam, what gave me?
Sorry.
See, madam, and that picking. I just they look there. I won't see where they want to do their rubbish reach. Their head empty. Nothing dead here. Say, order. I want order. It's not because your partner you get generational weight. Money for don't finish now. What for babe? Why they laugh?
Don't mind them. They wear perfumes to cover their rots, to cover their smelling attitude.
They really they smell. They smell. Their character they smell. Follow them. I they tell you.
They think say they feel use money buy honor.
See, See, no worry, sis. I did your back. I did for you. Stand gidigba. Nothing go do you. But you know what you go do for me? Shine your eye. Shine am. They no pause and stand for your Gary, oh. You know. I did for you, Don't worry.
Thank you. You be better person.
And your papa. My papa may thank you. But I miss Oga. I miss Sam. Sam.
We need to talk. And this time, you would listen.
Talk about what?
Talk about my right.
Your audacity. Talk about your entitlement. Or your consistent ability to disrupt peace in this house.
Talk about my right. Okay. The one your husband buried before he died. This is it. The will. The original. dated 5 months before he died. Every right there, every asset, every name, willed to his first daughter, the one he denied in public, and the one he begged for forgiveness for in private.
What kind of rubbish joke is this?
Open it. Sit and open it. Read it. Either ways, pretend. Either ways, you can deny.
Where did you get that from?
From his trusted lawyer. Not the one you paid off. This came with blood and ink. Not those whines and lies. Filthy people.
Mommy, what if it's true? No. If it is true, we'll make it untrue. We'll burn her from inside out.
Wow. Yes. I love the sound of that. Yes, Mommy. We'll put her in her place. Yes. Put her in her place. Yes, put her in her place. Yes. Put her.
It's the audacity for me.
I can't live in the same house with her, Mommy. I can't breathe the same air with her. Her presence is poison. She's poison!
We don't make noise when we kill. We move like silk. And then we sting like venom.
Let's make her live quietly, like a rat choking on crumbs.
We're going to use her pride against her. If she feels she's strong, show her how powerless strength is in the house of wealth.
I will make her live. I will drive her mad. I will hide her slippers. I will add bleaching lotions in her cream. And when she snaps, I will smile. Yes.
That's good. Don't touch her body. Bruise her spirit.
No, Mommy. I will bruise the two. Her spirit and body. Yes. Oh, sorry. You know, we didn't know you'd be joining us for breakfast. We did not exactly plan for unexpected guests.
Or maybe you plan to remind me of how petty and predictable you are.
Talk is cheap. Maybe that's why you use so much of it.
You really do think that starving me proves anything? I have lived with hunger that bites like acid. But even with this one slice of bread, I eat with more dignity than you will ever in your entire life.
My darling, this rice tastes so much better than your dignity.
And the table turns. It would choke you. The rice would choke you.
Oh, this table says it all. You don't even have eggs on your bread.
I don't care. I'm enjoying it.
Oh my goodness, you're suffering. Oh my God, I pity you so much. You know what? Have 1 spoon of rice. Oh, no. You're not worth it. So good. Oh my goodness. Sarah!
Yes, ma'am.
Get me.
Always falling.
Get me plantain chips and juice. Make it fresh.
Cold, bro.
Bring hot water.
Silly girl.
You've noticed she's always trying to sleep every time.
Mommy. We are just feeding her for nothing.
This boutique that newly opened.
It's a lie. Mommy, so that means I need to like change my wardrobe. I need to get new shoes, new designer bags. Come on now.
Candy, calm down.
Mommy, there's this party in town. I need to show them.
You know, I'm not supposed to be wearing the same clothes.
Queen at all.
So I need new clothes.
Okay.
Hairs.
Mommy, hairs. You don't mean it? Mommy, that's my love language now. I'm going to get boxes of new hairs. Mommy.
Money is good.
Very good, mommy. Very, very good. Money is so good.
There is this adage that says, instead of the mouth that is eating to stop, let the one that have not eaten close.
Mommy, like the one we have in the house, let her mouth close.
Don't change my mood now.
I'm sorry, mommy. I just can't help it.
Talk of the devil. Talk of the devil.
If this isn't about money, then prove it. I have drafted a withdrawal suspensions in all Daddy's accounts.
You did what?
Yes, I did draft withdrawal suspensions in all Daddy's account. Let's see who really values heritage or just wants to take control.
You are insane.
No.
You are insane.
You are insane. I'm just what happens when a truth goes and walks through the front door. I'll just leave you but.
Candy, hold me from strangling that girl.
Mommy, I feel same. I'm going to send her to her father. Withdraw. Oh my goodness. Mommy.
Trash that.
Mommy, trash what now? I will kill her. She's turning this house into a courtroom. She's walking as if she owns the oxygen.
She doesn't own the oxygen in my house. We will suffocate her. We will manipulate her weakness.
Mommy, she has no weakness.
Then we'll create one. Find something she likes or someone she loves. And then we'll strike her from there.
Are you suggesting I seduce?
We'll have to do what we have to do.
Okay, Mommy.
Evie.
Candy! 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 Candy, what did you put in my body? What did you put in my body? What did you put in my body? What did you put in my cream? What did you put in my cream? What did you put in my body?
What's burning you?
What did you put in my body? What did you put in my body?
What is burning you?
What did you put in my
Listen,
body?
they did not put anything. Did you? No, it's the atmosphere you brought here that is fighting you, nothing else. Oh, sorry. So the best thing is you carry your things and go back home so that you'll be safe. Please leave my baby. No, don't mock her. Candy. She's reaping from what she's sowing. That's how painful it's been.
Sisi, here. You get wetin dey bite me when I wan follow you talk. See,
What is it?
This house. This one will calm your throat, eh?
Thank you.
Let's drink it. So they talk. You guys be careful. You see all these women wey dey follow do kata so, eh? They play fair fight, oh. You hear things wey I dey hear wey dey pour out for you, eh? You go shock.
I didn't come here for comfort. I came here to take what is mine. What is rightfully mine.
See, eh? You dey use one eye, you go use am until they follow you laugh. The other eye, you go use am finish you for back. I dey tell you. Let's be careful, oh.
I've seen snakes. I've slept with snakes in the room. These ones are just snakes that wear jewelries. I'm not scared of them. I'm not scared of them.
You dey sure? You dey sure? Because the kind of thing wey I hear, eh? If you just buy you to win, I dey tell you, just shine your eye and be careful, eh? Anything wey you dey do, use your head. What? I think I dey do my work. I just wan tell you, eh? Just be careful.
Don't forget we are one big family. No matter what happens, let's be together. Cause one love keep us together. One love keep us together. Oh, one love keep us together. Yeah, one love keep us together. No matter what happens, I'm here to stay. I'm no going back. Any idea we go be, any idea we go there. We go fight to the end. Cause I don't send anybody. All I want is peace and love. One love keep us together. One love keep us together. It's been complicated, how things be going on, and I wish we live in peace and harmony. Yeah, yeah. Don't forget we are one big family. No matter what happens, let's be together. Cause one love keep us together. One love keep us together. Oh, one love keep us together. Yeah, one love keep us together. No matter what happens, I'm here to stay. I'm no going back. Any idea we go be, any idea we go there. We go fight to the end. Cause I don't send anybody. All I want is peace and love. Cause one love keep us together. One love keep us together. Oh, one love keep us together. Yeah, one love keep us together. It's been complicated, how things be going on, and I wish we live in peace and harmony. Yeah, yeah. Don't forget we are one big family. No matter what happens, let's be together. Cause one love keep us together. One love keep us together. Oh, one love keep us together. Yeah, one love keep us together. No matter what happens, I'm here to stay. I'm no going back. Any idea we go be, any idea we go there.
Sorry, I've seen you pass it like 5 times this week. What are you looking for? Beer or peace?
Peace. Mostly. I can't remember when last time I had peace.
Wow. Well, as you can see, we sell cold beer here. Warm reception and, you know, do you want to have a seat?
I don't want to buy anything. It's fine.
So is half of my customer base.
They just sit. They don't buy anything.
Well, some just come on, you know, maybe want to watch match.
You run this place alone?
Alone and underpaid. Sorry, forgive my manners. Wilson.
Ivie, a temporary tenant in a house I was born to inherit.
Okay. That sounds poetic and painful.
It is actually very painful. But I'm learning to walk through it without permission.
You know what? This one is too much. If you don't mind, please, let's go inside. It's okay.
Yes.
Let's go inside.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes. So, what is the story? You have the posture of royalty, but your eyes, they look like you've got to kneel too many times.
My father was rich and very well respected. He was loved, but he died with his secret locked in a drawer. And his truth buried and erased from a photo.
Okay, and you?
I am the truth he buried. His first daughter, they never wanted to meet.
And the other women?
The other women, the widow despises me. She treats me like I crawled out of a gutter. And her daughter sees me as a virus, like I'm disgusted. I'm just happy that I got a space close to you, where I can come and sell my market and leave that house. Because that house, silence is a weapon. There's no peace.
I'm really sorry about all of this. I'm really sorry about this. Anyway, let me quickly get something for you. Don't worry, even if it's water.
But I have water.
Don't worry, it's on the house.
Thank you.
Everyone loves Evie. Everyone is screaming her name. Let them scream. I will shine in the dark. Yes, Candy, you are still the queen. Yes, I am. Don't break. No, you can't let her win. No, don't break. Yes, I am still the queen. Yes. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, I am still the queen. Yes. Yes, I am.
somebody has been busy stealing my customers one by one. It's okay, I'm happy that you're making sales at least.
Thank you.
But when they come, when they leave their orange and buy everything, let them at least come and drink water.
Yes. After taking drink, they come and buy orange and detox.
Yes, sir.
Because it is necessary.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
All right, take care.
Mommy, you will not believe what I saw today.
What?
Ivie is now a fruit seller.
Ivie?
Yes.
Which Ivie?
Your stepdaughter.
Oh! She's not a fruit seller. Oh, that's it.
Selling fruits along one shabby beer parlor. Selling fruit like a market woman. It was even Alex that took a video of her. The last time he came here and sent it to me, let me even show you the video. Mommy, see her shouting, buy your fruits. Like a market woman. See?
Disgraceful. After all my husband worked for. She's turning his name into a roadside chant.
People even liked her. Eh? They smiled at her, Mommy. It's disgusting.
People like her.
Yes.
They smile when they see her.
Yes, Mommy. They do.
Then we'll have an assignment. Take away her smile. Wow. Yes. With that her dirty audacity, she challenged Queen Adora.
My Queen Adora. Queen of GRA.
Please, can you turn it into a song?
Queen Adora. GRA. Queen Adora. GRA. Queen Adora. GRA. We'll show her Pepe. She'll meet us in this house. Mommy, I'm coming. Let me drop my bag upstairs.
Oh. She will never smile again.
Thank you.
I heard apples are good for the poor and the pregnant woman. Which one are you?
And it's also good for poisonous tongues like yours. I think you should try one. Maybe it might just sweeten your soul.
I didn't come here to eat. I came here to remind you how you're spoiling our family's name.
Your family's name. Your name. Your name is a flashy, finished perfume bottle. And mine? Mine is buried and stew rose.
You think selling fruits makes you righteous, right?
But it makes me free. At least I'm not like you.
Have you ever thought about leaving?
Every day. Every day, Wilson. But then, if I live without fighting back, I'll let them rewrite my story. Again and again. And I don't want.
You're braver than you think.
Oh, shit. I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not brave. I'm tired. I'm really scared that if I don't leave, they might make me disappear. I'm tired of fighting this someone else's battle.
And then keep
I'm
fighting.
exhausted.
Keep fighting. But this time, not just for purpose, but also for pain.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ivy, you know say, I don't deserve Madame the Queen since. I never see person we carry you for her like you. Your spirit just too clean. Please.
If this house really has peace now, why does it feel like prison? It doesn't seem like there is peace in this house.
See, it dey fear you now. You see how you carry truth for body like water.
Sometimes I don't really know if I should continue this fight. If I should forgive them or still fight them.
You guys do both. You give them both. As they give them both with dignity, you still forgive. And so now.
You really think I will win?
That's why we don't win already. You don't give them past person they expect to. They don't feel say small word with a worry like it's done bagger. I tell you. No expect them. See, no worry. Just relax your mind.
Thank you.
Don't even tire. Say, see your eye. Go sleep. Sleep well, not take oh.
No.
Really?
Thank you.
Yeah, now. Myself, I dey go down. I never finish for kitchen.
Okay. Good night.
Bye-bye. Sleep oh. Baby, what did you do for you now? Tell me this.
See.
They fear. No level, Joe. I know they see your doings now. Kata threaten now.
If they like, let them write insults with blood.
I'm
I'm not going anywhere. See, I'm here to take what is rightfully mine.
stay here, Gidigba.
I'm here to claim my father's legacy. I'm not going anywhere.
See, what's in the soul? You go stand, Gidigba. You know why? Even storms, they fall for mountain. No, not the matter. So they thinky. Stand up. My slippers, eh? They take for you. I'm not my threats now.
Thank you.
Go, my love.
I'm here to see Evie. Can you please tell her Wilson came by?
Okay, wait, I'm coming. One moment.
All right.
Oh, wow. You must be the beer parlor Wilson.
I suppose you're Candy. My name is Wilson. Please, I'm here to see Evie.
Wow. I didn't know Evie's boyfriend had manners.
I am not Evie's boyfriend.
Shame. She goes around.
Andy, don't you get tired of dripping venom?
Only when the prey is boring.
You will really choke today. You will choke. Please, let's sit. Let's sit here.
I'll tell my mommy when she comes back. You want to say that, Nabi? Don't worry. Let me go and tell my mommy. I will tell her. Don't worry, I'm coming.
She's crazy, oh. Don't mind her. Very crazy. Just sit. Come and sit here.
Are you sure this is ordinary?
I said she's crazy. Insane.
Anyway, I got this for you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
I came to check on you.
How are you, by the way?
I'm fine. I'm doing very well. I just came to check on you because you've been quiet these days.
Yes. Quiet is the strongest weapon in this house. Too loud and you wake demons. Poisonous demons. You're that bad.
Candy was at the club yesterday night. I forgot to tell you.
Club?
Yes, she was totally out of control.
On edge? What was she doing?
Snotting lines. I'm telling you, she was screaming, shouting, laughing at the same time. That was...
She's not just broken. She's dangerous. Candy is dangerous. Ah, that's bad.
That's the more reason why you shouldn't keep her secrets.
Obviously, maybe I should expose her. Should expose her.
I think so too.
It's what she does with my father's money.
Anyway, I came to see you. You're the one I came to see and not Candy.
How are you?
I'm very well. How are you? How have you been? So look, are you not going to unbox what I bought for you? Don't unbox it yet.
Wait.
Don't worry, when you go inside.
How do you know my size?
How do I know your size? Do you know who I am? When I look at you, I can size you. I don't want to know, I don't want to tell you the other sizes of things that I know in your body.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome.
She's exposing us. Yosin came here as if she owns this house.
The first mistake I made is to allow her walk through that door. Or even spend the night here. You know, immediately I saw her, I knew that peace would drown.
Then let's make her drown first. Yes.
Enough of breathing fire. We move in silence. We strategize. Then we squeeze her until she begs to leave.
And what if she doesn't?
Oh, Candy. You underestimate me. Queen Adora doesn't run out of strategies. You know, there's this adage in my place about local rats. They bite and fan. So we bite and fan her.
Bite and fan. Yeah. I love that sound. We bite her and we fan her. Yes. Yes, mommy.
You know what? I walked through that door. I walked through that door with hope in my bones. Thinking that if I serve, I would earn love.
See, Sister B, don't try. Hi! Don't try, oh. Don't try. Where? If na me, the gay go don sup for this house. You know wetin dey even vex me pass? Do you no even wan see the good wey dey your body,
They want me to leave.
Eh?
They want me to leave. Leave my father's name in their mouth.
You no fit comot o. Where you wan go? Gats mount your guard o. I don dey tell you this thing since, You will mount your guard.
But Sarah, I'm tired.
Don't dey cry o.
I'm tired. I made her screaming or I'm bleeding. I'm exhausted. I'm tired.
See, Yoruba people dey always talk say, wàtí máa gbọ́. You dey hear me? Make dem dey hear your scream. Dey scream am. Cry. See, deaf their ear. Nothing dey sup, No cry. Hi, you wan make I dey cry?
No, I'm fine. Don't worry. I'm good. Thank you.
Okay. No worry. Nothing go sup. Wetin you go chop? Shey make I cook for you,
I'm not hungry. I do okay.
Candy, I don't understand. What are you doing here?
I came to see my future brother-in-law. Or have you gotten married to my stepsister without me knowing?
Ifye is not.
Save it.
Wilson! Wilson!
Listen, it's not what you think. I swear to it. It's not what you think, to be honest with you. Ifye! Thank you very much. Your plan has worked. Now please leave.
Hey! See who I was trying to
Don't
manage.
let me push you. Please leave.
Poor thing.
Ifye, I'm really sorry. I know what is in your mind right now, but trust me, that's not it. I swear to you, that's not it. I am really. I was just in my shop, and then she came. I was caught off guard. You know, I would never do anything to hurt you.
Wilson. It's okay.
No, it's not okay.
It's okay, Wilson. I've heard you.
It's not okay, Ifye.
This is exactly what I asked for.
I know, right, mommy?
Oh, wow! Our lover girl is back. Come, join us.
I don't want your food. I don't want your pity. All I want is justice.
Justice? What is it again?
Your daughter here kissed Wilson behind my back.
Please! Did you scream in? Talk, did you?
You know, you don't want love. You just want possession. You're just a drugged up brat who feeds on wreckage.
Enough! Oh, shut up. You have flippant mouth.
No, you shut your child up. You're a drug addict child.
Drug addict? What is she talking about?
Mommy, she's only blabbing.
Oh, I'm blabbing. Check her pulse.
Her pulse?
Check her pupils at night. Her nose bleeds in the night.
Your nose bleeds?
Mommy, is my nose bleeding? Hey, I told you, she's just blabbing. She's blabbing.
Say it again. Say it again and I will open your files. Just talk.
Files?
Talk.
Which files?
Did you see any foul here? You see? I told you this girl is just blabbing.
She wants to get to us.
Yes.
She can't get to us. We are eating. Go.
High five. Yes, mommy. High five. Yes.
But did you kiss Rosie?
Ew, that guy is so poor. Yes, I just made the payment. Please confirm my 500,000. And when will my hair be delivered? Thank you. Please, tomorrow. Don't want it to pass tomorrow. Thank you.
Spoiled brat. Spoiled brat. You think everything belongs to you, right? This is what you do with my father's money. This is what you spend my father's money on. You see? You see? Drug addict.
Oh, please! A gate crasher. A glorified orphan with her father's shadow.
You want to hear the truth?
What truth?
You want to hear the truth?
What truth?
You were a spoiled brat living on cocaine. You have snuffed your life out of cocaine. Look at the drugs you're taking. You've snuffed your life.
I dare you to say it one more
You're
time.
a broken child. I said you are a broken child. You think Daddy left all these properties for me just like that? He left it to prove that you were never his priority.
Liar!
Oh,
Yes.
I saw the will. I saw the will. He gave me everything.
Liar.
True. Do your worst.
I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I'll kill you! I will kill you! I will kill you!
Stop, madam! Madam!
I'll kill you! I'll kill you!
Stop now! People, kill yourself! Stop now!
I'll kill you!
Hey,
Die!
mommy!
Die!
Madam!
I'll kill you! Go meet your father!
Please stop now!
What is wrong with the both of
She's a drug addict. See? See what she spends my daddy money on? She's a drug addict. What she does is snuff cocaine.
Do you people want to kill me? Do you want to bury this home in shame?
You already did. You already did when you chose her over the truth. You already buried it. Can do yours.
You go upstairs. And you.
Kill you. I'll kill you. Hey. Oh, mommy, leave me. I'll kill you.
My friend, will you go upstairs?
No, mommy, now look at me. It's me, your Candy, your favorite girl. Mommy, don't worry, they're just malaria. I'll pack them. She has not seen this kind of money in her life before. Mommy, don't worry. Mommy, come on now, smile. It's your favorite girl, Candy. Mommy, they're just for malaria. Mommy, don't worry. I'll keep them now. Oh, God. Mommy. Mommy, smile. It's your favorite girl, Candy. He never came to my school play. He never called me on my birthdays.
You think you're the only one who missed out?
But I was right here. It felt like I never existed. I was across the country. I waited for him to call me and tell me that I mattered, but he never did. Not even once.
I hated you before I even met you.
I envied you. I envied your beautiful smiles through the pictures. I envied your beautiful dresses. I envied you. But they were all fake. I was only trying to perform what I felt a daughter should be. I was just trying to prove that I existed.
You are not my enemy.
Neither are you my enemy.
Then why have we been tearing each other down?
We can fight. We can scream. But you are still my blood. You are my only family. You are my sister.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for everything. I'm sorry for the lies. I'm sorry for the bonds. I'm sorry for Wilson. I did it all for you to disappear. I'm sorry, Evie. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you not because I'm a saint, but because I'm tired of fighting over someone else's work. So I forgive you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Don't the auto. Okay, fast to.
Hi, Sarah.
Hey,
Evie.
good morning.
So you're happy today.
It's a
What's
happy
going
day.
on?
You know what? Just chill. I'm making breakfast today.
It's a pleasure.
Relax.
Let me wash my hand.
I'm making breakfast.
You're very
Breakfast
happy.
on me.
Let me learn.
It's a happy day for me. Hot to end the oil don't hot.
I know how to.
Yeah,
I don't even feel me, no. Careful, Sha. Just me now. You not just me, eh?
Me and Tandy, we've settled.
Now good news with that one, no.
It's a good news.
You do well, you
yes.
do well. I'm proud of you, eh?
Thank you.
Hey.
We're not fighting again. We're
Nice.
sisters.
That's nice, eh? I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Wow. Hey, sis.
Hi.
You're making breakfast?
Yes.
So what should I assist you with? Should I?
Candy.
Do well.
Do you even know where salt is in this kitchen? You can't even do that.
Hey,
well.
careful.
I don't know, but at least I know how to switch off the gas.
Just help me with this.
Okay.
Let me
slice the control.
Yeah. Candy is in the kitchen today. Everybody.
You care for some?
I don't want. It's not fried yet.
You want some?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You should record and post on social media that Candy is in the kitchen today.
No. Should I help
And
you with
it's
the tomato?
Can you?
Don't worry. I'd rather stand near you. Right.
Come and do it.
Are you sure I should not do it, eh?
No, don't worry. She's making breakfast.
Sarah, I said rest.
Sorry, man.
Breakfast is on me.
It's getting
Don't
ready.
forget, eh?
It's time for you to remove
Chef
it.
Vivier.
It's not ready yet.
It's getting brown.
It's not brown yet.
Ah.
It's just turning, but it's not ready.
Wow.
You're going to
Is
go
that how you
cooking
dice
school.
the tomato?
Come closer so you can learn.
No. I'm scared of knives.
Ah.
Let me stay here.
The time you will learn, at least you've started coming into the kitchen. The time you learn.
This plantain looks yummy. Can't wait to have it.
Let me check the plantain now.
I said, don't worry.
Sorry.
Everything is on me. Let me do it. Before you pour yourself hot oil. I say, is it weird? I said I should do it all.
Don't worry, I won't do that.
Yeah.
Wow, it looks brown.
I swear. Yummy.
It's getting brown.
I dey hungry, sha.
Hey, I can't wait to have it.
It's almost ready.
Let me clean it.
Madam.
Don't worry, I'll do it. You're making it look like I don't know how to do some chores.
Candy, you can help me with the tomatoes too. You can cut down one.
Don't worry,
People don't want me to do anything.
I'll just
You
stand
can.
beside. I prefer standing now.
Don't worry, I'll do it. Don't worry.
No, no one make her do anything.
I
The
said
plantain is already-
chill. We didn't get water.
Don't worry, we'll get that later. Sarah, please, don't make this weird.
It's been like this all morning.
I dey happy o. Una no go blame me na, eh? Yesterday, I be say I don carry one of una go mortuary. God forbid.
Sarah.
Well, we are rebranding. Sisters Incorporated. Na papa we just dey happy for where e dey.
Water. Sarah. Are you enjoying it?
Very, very well. So tasty.
I can't believe we're eating together.
I know. I'm so happy, eh? I'm happy for you guys. Don't worry, let me pour it for her. No. Don't worry, Sarah. Girl. You didn't get a glass for yourself.
Don't worry, I'm okay.
Should I have this?
You go.
I'll have hers, don't worry.
It's lovely.
What is happening here? If this is a trap, I'm not falling.
Mommy, come and eat. Come and join us.
We made plantain for you too.
Whatever is going on here, I don't want to break it. God knows I've made so many mistakes. Big ones that I'm not even proud of. But then, if the both of you want to start again, take the lead, I will follow.
Thank you, Ma.
Candy. Evie.
Whatever.
Candy.
Yes, mommy.
I'll be in my room.
Okay, mommy. Mommy, you sure you don't want eggs?
Later.
Mommy's really missing. I'll take for my sisters.
Don't finish mine, you have yours.
I also made the eggs, Sarah.
No.
If you tell her
Michael here.
by Friday,
Mommy,
What's happening?
Mommy, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for everything, Mommy. I'm so sorry.
I'm sorry too.
Please forgive me.
Sorry too. It's okay. Come.
I'm so sorry. Mommy, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me. Please.
It's okay.
I'm a changed person. I've changed. Mommy, I've changed. I'm a changed person. Yes, Mommy, I've changed. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Your father is proud of you. He's proud of us.
Yes, Mommy, he is.
We'll start again.
It's been complicated. How things be going on. And I wish we live in peace and harmony. Yeah, yeah. Don't forget we are one big family. No matter what happens, let's be together. Cause one love, keep us together.
Permit me to first of all say that you're glowing.
Thank you. That's because I have uprooted a burden that I've been carrying for years. Scrubbed it off. I'm free. I have forgiven Candy and her mother. But for you, no. I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, I know I broke your heart twice. I am really sorry.
Yeah,
Forgive me as you've forgiven them. I mean, look at you. I was even meaning to ask you how you're doing, what's going on, but actually...
Wilson, I'm not here for an apology. I've moved past that. I'm in another chapter now. If you want to move on, I'll talk to you.
I want to move on, and right now I want us to move back to the shop.
I'm still mad at you.
Don't say no.
I can always go.
Don't worry. Don't say no.
Let's go.
Cause one love, keep us together. One love, keep us together. Oh,
Sorry. How can you even say that? Listen,
no matter what happens,
your voice
I'm
can
here
sing
to stay.
for all of
I'm
you.
not going back.
Listen, us.
Any idea we could be. Any idea we go there, we'll fight to the end. Cause I know send anybody. All I want is peace and love. Just one love, keep us together. One love, keep us together. Oh, one love.
Are you sure about this?
Yes. I want to wake up one morning and not be ashamed of my shadow.
Yes. How this be going on? I wish we live in peace and harmony. Yeah, yeah. Don't forget we are one big family.
Miss Adora, good evening. Candy, good evening.
Good evening, barrister.
Good evening, barrister.
Good evening, Vie. Mr. Obiora's will. All my properties will be given to Ivie. And there's a note inside.
A note inside.
Yes. Okay. And I'll read. Ivie, you will share my property with one of your sisters who values family more than fortune.
He saw us.
Evie, this.
Thank you, barrister.
All right. Miss Adora, see you later.
Thank you, barrister. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, barrister. Evie. Candy. You two can decide what you do with it.
Thank you so much for changing me.
That's because you also wanted to change.
No, you changed me.
Okay, you girls are going to make me emotional.
Whatever is mine is yours.
I've been a fool for fighting you all along.
Oh no, you have realized.
I love you so much. I love you so much, sister.
You have realized that I didn't ask.
Family, we are sisters.
We are. I miss you so much, Daddy.
Daddy, we miss you.
Sisters?
looking at me like that? What is it? You want to fight? Definitely this time you will cry.
Oops. We fight, we settle, we celebrate. Let's celebrate. No more fighting, no more half-sisters.
Come and sit.
You can sit down.
Wait, this is alcohol.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. Just take some.
Where's your own cup? Are you drinking from the same cup?
Because we're sisters, we should drink from one cup.
Sisters.
Sisters.
I don't want to drink much.
Just take. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Oh, my sister.
Cheers to sisters.
To sisters. No more half-sisters. No more.
Half-sisters.
I love you.
No more fighting. I love you too.
You still need
more
more
fighting.
take. Come on.
I
Just
don't want to have so much.
You'll be fine. Take.
Everybody, Candy's teaching me how to take alcohol.
Come on. Take.
No.
Come on.
You have, cheers.
And I wish we'll live in peace and harmony. Yeah. Don't forget we are one big family. No matter what happens, let's be together. 'Cause one love keep us together. One love keep us together. Oh, one love keep us together. Yeah. One love keep us together. No matter what happens, I'm here to stay and no going back. Any idea we go be, any idea we go there, we go fight to the end.